Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be more of a watch and enjoy, not so much talk over or talk through. So if you have any questions, leave them in the down bar below. Otherwise, watch and enjoy. You like the trauma? I feel like I'm getting kind of good with the fucking alcohol paints. Ooh! Ooh! Okay, anyway. Don't eat this. It tastes weird. Alright, you guys. I'm keeping one eye closed for no reason in particular. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Yeah, I just felt like having a gouged eye. Yeah, that's what I'm going with, so. Don't forget to I'm completely distracted by the taste in my mouth. 100%. Subscribe to my channel while you're here. I'm making a bunch of Halloween content, and then I like to make a bunch of random fucking content in general. Yep. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Boo. You already know what time it is. Let's peel this shit off. Ooh, maybe I should get a mirror. Oh god, I'm sticky. Watch I rip off my eyebrow when I really tried not to. And I kept my eyebrow. Ooh, I should do 2 of them. No. Yes. Okay,